Today we're featuring a 2015 Buick Encore. It's got 20,000 miles on it. Ruby red metallic in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the turn signals in the mirrors. Nice chrome door handles. All right, driver's side of the vehicle is in good shape. All right, it is an all-wheel drive. It does have rear backup camera. Passenger side of the vehicle is in good shape as well. So this thing's been well taken care of. All right, really nice on the outside. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. All right, it's got the half gray, half black door panels. Nice wood grain trim here. Power locks, power windows, power mirrors. All right, it does have gray leather seating with black trim. It does have the memory seats, power driver's seat. The leather's in good shape. Does have the keyless entry key fob with remote start. Passenger seat looks really good as well. It is an automatic. It's got your heated seats, heated steering wheel, dual climate controls, AM FM CD player. Your display will be right there, and I'll show you that in a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. And it's also got cruise control over here on this side. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 20,266 miles on it. Go ahead and show you your home page here. All right, go ahead and engage backup camera. All right, AC's blowing cold. No problems there. Let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels look good. Back seat leather's in good shape. It does have that center console that comes down with the cup holders. Nice convenient power outlet down there. And go ahead and give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. It looks pretty good back here. Just a little bit of staining back here, maybe a couple of cigarette burns back here on the carpet. But other than that, it's in good shape. It's got the nice sunscreen right here, sunshade, but a lot of storage there. Let's go ahead and check out your wheels and tires. 18-inch alloys. Yeah, 18-inch alloys. Tires are in good shape. Still got plenty of tread left on them there. All right, once again, it's a 2015 Buick Encore, 20,000 miles on it. This thing's in good shape inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.